Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
Daksha, who is so hard-hearted that he is unworthy to be a Brahman, will gain extensive ill fame because of his offences to his daughter, because of not having prevented her death, and because of his great envy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Daksha is described here as most hard-hearted and therefore unqualified to be a Brahman. Brahma Druk is described by some commentators to mean Brahmbandhu, or friend of the Brahmans. A person who is born in a Brahmana family but has no Brahminical qualifications is called a Brahmbandhu. Brahmans are generally very soft-hearted and forbearing because they have the power to control the senses and the mind. Daksha, however, was not forbearing, for the simple reason that his son-in-law, Lord Shiva, did not stand up to show him the formality of respect. He became so angry and hard-hearted that he tolerated even the death of his dearest daughter. Sati tried her best to mitigate the misunderstanding between the son-in-law and the father-in-law by coming to her father's house, even without an invitation, and at that time Daksha should have received her, forgetting all past misunderstandings. But he was so hard-hearted that he was unworthy to be called an Aryan or Brahman. Thus his ill fame still continues. Daksha means expert, and he was given this name because of his ability to beget many hundreds and thousands of children. Persons who are too sexually inclined and materialistic become so hard-hearted because of a slight loss of prestige that they can tolerate even the death of their children.